Now, students, we see about article class first English. Article, a, an, and the. This is called article, and article are two types. First, indefinite article. Articles, that is a and an. And second is definite article. That is the. The. So students, this is two types of article. That is first, indefinite article. It meant to say a and an. And definite article, that is the. So first we discuss about indefinite article. Indefinite article a and n comes for unfamiliar thing, unfamiliar person or things, etc. So that means to say a cat. A cat means any cat. Any cat which you have not seen before. And same this way, an ice cream. Any ice cream. You have not seen and eaten before. So students, here's two base of articles. That means to say first indefinite article and second definite article. First, here we say indefinite article. So this is the rules for indefinite article. A comes for noun, beginning, sound, consonant. A plus consonant. And N plus vowel sound. So this is the first and second rule students. A उन इंडेफिनेट आर्टिकल्स के साथ आता है जिनकी बिगनिंग कॉन्सोनेंट से होती है, एंड एन कम्स फॉर दोज स्पेलिंग्स which start from vowel sound. Let me see. Egg. This is the egg. It means to say and come And students, you know about vowel. So let me see vowels. Vowels is that A, E, I, O and U. So this is the five letters be called vowel. And in Hindi, from A to ang, that is called Hindi vowel, and English vowel is that A, E, I, O, U. And after that, all are consonant. Consonant, consonant. After remaining letter, V, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, dash. After remaining letter are called consonant, students. So you have to memorize this. N comes for those spellings with start from vowels A, E, I, O, U, and A comes for consonant sounding letters. So this is the indefinite article, students. Now we discuss about definite article. So student, definite article the, it meant to say that is familiar, which seen before, or we can say specific. So when any things can be special and can you see before, so you can add article the. Let me see sun, and here you see sun, so we can write it the sun because sun is seen before by us and every human being. And same this way, moon, and specific means when you see, just like as the cat. The cat means special cat. Special cat means you have seen before. So that cat are called special. Same this way, now we see students next. As you see about articles, so now we discuss more. As we see, that is a cat means any cat, and a cat and the cat for a specific sense you see, that is a special cat. That is a special cat. You have seen that cat have a special qualities. So you can use article for a specific sense, and otherwise you see a and n use any noun, so that is means any cat you see, anybody not special. So this is the, and now we See in exam whatever you can ask, put article a, an and the. So here are some example. Let me see. Star, I, and Shakespeare. Supercomputer. So students, here you have to add article. So now we see that if star, it means to say special star. So you can add article the star. You also can say any star. So you can a star. Same this way eyes. Eyes, special eyes for the eyes. And Shakespeare means a famous name. It means to say you can add the Shakespeare. Same this way supercomputer, the supercomputer. I hope students you know well about article and you can add a and the. So thank you.